What's good, YouTube? In this video I'm gonna show you how you can create this text tracking effect inside Adobe After Effects. In this tutorial you must have here, I'm gonna use this footage which has this move. Okay, that reason why you have to find the clip which has some movement, because if you just want to track the text, it must be attached on the point where you want to be that text to be attached. Okay, so now let's jump on it in Adobe After Effects and let's see how it is. But before I jump on, please don't forget to make subscribe in order to get the new update video. So now let's go. So this is my video clip which I'm going to use. Now you see how it is. So you see it is the camera movement, yes, moving around front and back, something like this. Okay, so and I'm going to come here on this window and then make sure this track is enabled. So you have to enable like this. Now you will see these track settings. Okay, so make sure you have been clicked on this clip and then you click here on this track camera, guys. But before you click here on this track camera, make sure this blue line it is on the beginning of this clip, something like this. So and I have to click here on this track camera. Okay, and I'm going to wait just a few minutes. Okay, because as you see here it is tracking my frames. It depends how long your video clip it is. Okay, so my video clip it has 171 frames. Okay, so now when the tracking is done, now I got the some tracking point. As you see here, you see this is the tracking point, and then come here for this tracking point size to increase the size of this point well, because I just want to see my points well. So and then here I'm going to find where can I add the text. Okay, so here I have to choose any point which I want. Okay, for example, let me choose the point. Okay, with this point. Okay, and then this down one. So let me just choose this down point. Okay, here you see I got the 3 points. Okay, and I'm going to select those 3 points, something like this, 1 2 the third one here. Now and then after receiving these 3 points, I have to right click here and then go on this create text and camera. Okay, so now I got a text, so and I'm going to type anything I want. Okay, so for example, let me try to type tracking, yeah, something like this. And then after type this tracking, so let me just use this selective tool to move, to rotate, something like this. Okay, here I have Y, X and Z axis to rotate this text, something like this, and then I have to rotate in this way. And if I just want, I can decrease the size of this text. Okay, and then let me try to move it here. Let me put it in front here, guys, something like this, and then I have to put aside here, guys. Okay, and then when I pray, guys, and so now you see how this text it is going with my video. So now it already touched that point which I have been selected. Now you see, guys, how this tracking point is going with my my point. So this is nice, guys. Okay, so first I have to render my video well. Now when I play, you see how it is going with. Okay, so guys, and I can also just click on my video here and then click on these settings of tracking, and also I can just grab another point here on this side. Okay, let me just grab this point here, guys, something like this. I can also grab like some points. Okay, this one, and then right click, also create text. Okay, now you see how this text it is coming. Also I can add another text here, guys. It depends, you can add more text as you want. Okay, let me add like point. Okay, something like this, and also I have to resize it well as possible. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, this one, guys, and I have to move it up like this guy. Okay, so and then now it is time to play. When I try to play, now you see how this text it is going with my tracking point. So this is nice, guys. Okay, So guys, and then this is how you can create this tracking text in Adobe After Effects. So guys, this is my trick. This is how I create this effect, text tracking effect, inside Adobe After Effects. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment down below and let me know what you think. Subscribe, share, comment, leave a thumbs up, etc, etc, and I will see you in next video. Peace.